Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to take the backup of the Allen-Bradley PLC for the booster pumps panel of the Moassad Hospital, Khobar branch. First of all, we will put our communication cable to our PLC. This is our PLC Allen-Bradley and we are put the cable. After put the cable, we have to go to the COM and upload. As we click on the upload button, we got the create new files and backup will be started. And backup when be completed, click on yes, and after your backup is ready and online. This is the SCP command, and where is our pressure is coming 5.5 bar, look like near around, and this is the complete program I am sharing with you. You can see this is the 4 pumps panel, 4 pumps program which are running with sequence. The 10.7:6 is the set point of the sequence of the panels, and in this these commands, equal commands are runs with the sequence of pumps. B3:1 of the 3 is the first pump, is the second pump, and this is the fourth pump. This 4 number B3:1 of 4 is the fourth pump. And this is counter, this is C5:1, and this one more I will see you. This is the this counter is where we set the value of our timing control. For example, 5 minutes, we put this one 5 minutes after needs to be. Now this make it 0, and timer is upside running, but when time is completed, after here will be counts coming. For example, when 5 completed, after one signal will be gains in the PLC, and after first pump will be run and go to the next. So this all program is running with sequence, and start the booster pumps uh, one by one. One pump is running for 5 minutes, or when you put for example 10 minutes, 50 minutes, 100 minutes, how much, and after this pumps are running. But now B3:1 of the 4 number 5 means last pump is running, and this is our first SCP command, which is the analog signal scaling. And how much less than means 2.6 bar when pressure go low down of the 2.6 bar. After this pump will be started, and this PID value will be continuously maintain the pressure at our set point. This is set point is 5.5 bar look like, and this will be maintained as a 5.5 bar. What's the problem coming in this panel? Just only the sequence is not running. This program designed by this one pump is running at the by the set point. Example, 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 100 minutes when set one pump running, after automatically goes to the next pump for 100 minutes or 5 minutes running, after goes to the next pump, after go to the next pump. So look like this 4 pumps will be run in the sequence. So this backup is complete successfully. Now we will revise this program inshallah and check this one.